degrees. Here at Wallops, we got up to a high of 67 degrees. Overnight last night, Baltimore getting near that freezing mark at 33 degrees, and here at Wallops, only got down to a low of 40 degrees, which is about 7 degrees below normal for this time of year. Did have some showers off to our northern areas yesterday with Salisbury and Pax River picking up 0.04 of an inch. Here at Wallops, we remain dry, and currently across the area we have sunny to mostly sunny skies with temperatures in the lower to mid 40s, 45 degrees here at Wallops under mostly sunny skies. Upper air sounding from this morning showing a northwesterly wind at the 1,000-foot level at 24 knots and remaining fairly uniform as we go up through the lower 6,000 feet. Then we start to see the increase in the winds above that 9,000-foot level. We have our wind max right now at the 20,000-foot level at 72 knots out of the west. Our freezing level this morning was at 1,500 feet. Current surface analysis depicting a weak area of high pressure over our region, and that'll be the case throughout the day today and during the overnight hours, pretty much through this weekend as well. We'll have mostly sunny to mostly clear skies throughout the day today. Just a few cumulus clouds popping up here and there, but overall a fairly nice day. However, it will be unseasonably cool as we're only expecting daytime highs to rise into the mid 50s. This time of year we're normally in the mid to upper 60s, so averaging about 10 to 15 degrees below normal for our daytime highs. Satellite radar imagery not really showing much across the area, and winds have been slightly breezy out of the northwest. We've seen some 21 knot gusts over the local area. Those winds are expected to begin to diminish as we go throughout the later portions of this morning and into the afternoon, but again still remaining mostly clear throughout the day today, with high pressure continuing to remain over the region. Overnight tonight, that high pressure system will build farther east and settle more over the local areas, so we'll actually have lighter winds and clear to mostly clear skies tonight, which will set up for a decent radiation cooling event. Could see some areas, especially off to our north and also west of the Chesapeake Bay, get to hit that freezing mark or drop below it. There are freeze warnings actually issued west of the bay, but here at Wallops we're expecting to remain in the mid to upper 30s for our overnight lows. Tomorrow morning will be a chilly start to the morning, but then temperatures will be rising into the mid 50s with that high pressure system beginning to move farther eastward and offshore. High temperatures getting up into the upper 50s, and then much of the same on Sunday, although we'll see just a little bit more of an increase in cloud cover as we go throughout the day on Sunday. So as we look at the next 24 hours, not much of a change from the forecast this morning. We're going to be green across the board in terms of our hazards, and again, winds will be looking to diminish slightly as we go throughout the later portion of this morning into the afternoon. We'll average out about northwesterly at 10 to 15 knots with gusts in the upper teens throughout the later portion of this morning to the afternoon. High temperature today is expected to be 54 degrees under clear to mostly clear skies. Much of the same tonight, however, winds will be mainly out of a northerly direction at about 3 to 6 knots for much of the time period, which